The exciting world of kids racing their toy cars. Top 5 highlights. 1. Kids love racing their favorite toy cars, especially popular models like Hot Wheels and Matchbox. 2. Ideal racing locations include backyards, parks, and even driveways for thrilling competitions. 3. Memorable races often involve reenacting famous car chases from movies or their favorite cartoons. 4. Organizing a fun race event is easy with simple tracks, colorful decorations, and enthusiastic friends. 5. Safety first. Always supervise races, keep obstacles clear, and use soft surfaces for crashes. Join the fun and subscribe for more exciting content.